Magandang oras mga kart lover, mga kababayan, sa lahat ng mga boxing apasyonado. Lalo na sa mga fans ni Manny Pacquiao, ako fans din ako eh. Kaya ito na yung pinakahintay natin, Floyd Mayweather Jr. versus Manny Pacquiao Part 2. Ito yung pangalawang rambulan nila. At napakaganda nito dahil ito na yung panghuli. Wala nang susunod niyan eh kasi matatanda na eh. Si Floyd Mayweather ay matanda ng 2 taon kay Manny. Kaya siguradong talo si Floyd Mayweather dito kay Manny sa sagupaan na ito. So tuloy na daw eh. Kaya ito nga, meron silang conference eh. Nagkikita, merong press conference. Ang dalawa dito, pakinggan natin ha. Ito yung unang nagsalita, si Floyd Mayweather. Kudos nga pala sa may-ari ng video na binigyan natin ng reaksyon. Maraming salamat.
I'm not here to talk about what you did on the outside. I'm not here to talk about what nobody else did on the outside. I'm not here to talk about your personal life. When we talk about, what's going on inside that square circle, I'm the best. No matter how you rate it, no matter how you cut it, no matter how you slice it, no matter if you go to 100 years back,
Ayun, so ayan na
300
naman
years back,
yung
all the way to now.
panghambog ni
There's only one
ni
best.
Floyd Mayweather na
Floyd
siya nga
Mayweather.
yung the best.
Well,
Walang ano
that-
diyan sa sinabi niya, wala tayong tutol diyan. Totoo naman na the best defensive fighter si Floyd Mayweather dahil magaling tumakbo eh. Magaling sa footwork ng pagtakbo at pag-ilag. Pero kapag ano talaga rambulan, itong buntalan ay tatakbo siya kay Manny eh. Kaya itong sa part 2, sabi ni Manny ay 7 round. 5 rounds yata lang daw si Floyd Mayweather dito sa pangalawang ano nila, sagupaan. At ito ay 5 months from now mangyayari, kaya malapit-lapit na. Kaya medyo tumaba si Floyd Mayweather eh. Tapos si Manny Pacquiao ay, di ba, kagagaling lang niya sa boxing kay Mario Barrios. Kaya ano pa yung batak pa yung katawan ni Manny. Si Floyd Mayweather hindi na eh. Kasi exhibition fight na lang. Kaya tumaba. Kaya wala na, talo na to sigurado. Okay, so
Hopefully, so money will don't.
I'm not here to talk about your personal life.
okay.
Is back, and hopefully,
Ayan.
so money will don't.
I'm not here to talk about your personal life. To now, there's only one best, and that's Floyd Mayweather.
Okay, so ito
It's
yung
gonna be,
sagot ni Manny Pacquiao
a good
sa hambog
boxing
ni
exhibition
Floyd
with
Mayweather
Floyd.
na I'm not here to talk about your personal life. I'm not here to talk about your achievement. I'm here to talk about I'm the best. Yun ang sabi ni Floyd eh. Ako nga, okay. Kahit nga ako, believe din ako kay Floyd Mayweather sa kanyang depensa eh. Magaling umilag si Floyd Mayweather at mag-counter. Pero, yung mga suntok niya ay suntok dalaga eh. Parang dalaga yung sumuntok sa'yo. Hindi katulad kay Manny na talagang solido. Kaya kapag hindi nakailag si Floyd Mayweather dito sa pangalawang sa kupaan nila ni Manny, baka yung kanyang record na undefeated, baka defeated na. Kaya itong inaabangan natin mga kababayan, kasi ang ating pambansang kamao versus the world finest boxer, Floyd Mayweather. Okay, pakinggan natin si Manny.
Floyd is in shape also. So please watch this fight.
Mhm.
For this opportunity. Floyd is he's in shape also. So please watch this fight.
O, ayan.
Thank you for this opportunity.
Talagang
As
tuloy.
to Floyd, thank you for the opportunity.
今日はですね、
Hall of Famer, he's a Hall of Famer. But nobody has the remedy on how to beat Floyd Mayweather. From Manny, now Manny has a lot of experience, at the highest level and competing at the highest level. And that makes this that much more interesting. But like I said before,
Ayun.
there's no blueprint on how to beat Floyd Mayweather. And he can tell you that himself.
He's older than me. I'm still young, so and I'm always active with this sport. So what I have done and accomplished in boxing, I think
Tama naman.
it's one of a kind because to get a 8 different weight division is not that easy. So,
Okay, so
that's
merong chismis
a
sa internet
prestigious
na kaya pumatol si
accomplishment
Floyd
in
Mayweather
boxing.
sa hamon ni Manny Pacquiao dahil sa pera. Dahil kapag si Manny Pacquiao ang kalaban mo, ay talagang paldo-paldo. Paldo-paldo ang kikitain mo. Kahit talo ka, malaki ang kita mo kapag Manny Pacquiao. Ngayon, merong mga chismis na si Floyd Mayweather ay wala na daw pera. Marami ng utang, malaki na ang utang sa labas. Kasi maluho yung lifestyle niya eh. Bili ng mga sports car, gumagastos. Kaya ito, pinatulan niya na si Manny Pacquiao. Kaya maganda ito para mabigyan ng tuldok ang kanilang itong legend ng dalawang fighter na ito. Okay, so sa bandang dulo, merong isang nagkomento na trainer sa Mexico na sinabi niya na kay Manny Pacquiao siya. Kasi Floyd Mayweather, marami naman daw merong undefeated record. Pero walang nakakuha ng 8 division belt. 8 belt sa different division. 8. Tanging si Manny Pacquiao, the GOAT in boxing. Kaya yun yung rason na kung sino man ang magaling kay Floyd Mayweather at Manny Pacquiao, magaling talaga si Manny Pacquiao. So ito, patuloy tayo.
I'm not trying to boast what I have accomplished in life, but I'm just saying this to repeat. And I'm not trying to boast what I have accomplished in life,
Tama,
but I'm just saying this to repeat they might forget that accomplishment. So to be the greatest boxer in the world is to know how to of course be compassionate and to show the people that you're really
Okay.
a fighter. That's what I can say. A best fighter in the world has a humility, has his what we call this compassion to other people who are in needs. So that's
Okay, so tama
My-
naman,
my-
sinabi ni Manny.
my
Ngayon,
respect
puntahan
to
natin
a,
yung trainer sa Mexico na sinabi ko
fighter in the world.
na kung siya yung tatanungin ay okay, atin mo na pakinggan si Manny. Ito, meron siyang sasabihin sa ibang conference naman to. Pero ganun pa rin, Floyd Mayweather ang pinag-usapan.
And we'll still show ability, our abilities in the ring. He need to show his ability.
He's scared to death to face me in the
Scared to
ring
death?
again.
He's scared?
And he's scared, yeah.
I can say that more action than compared to the first one because the first one, we know the fact that I have injury on my shoulder, so a war in the ring and then
Ayan.
a lot of action in the ring.
So what would the result be?
Oo.
The prediction is will not last 12 rounds, I think.
Wow, it won't last 12 rounds. Tremendous.
We know that since from the beginning, he's already feel like
Okay, so ito na. Ito na yung
intimidated to
sinabi
me
ko
and also
na isang trainer
scared
sa
to me
Mexico
to face in
ang
the ring.
nagkomento
Manny Pacquiao is
sa
not
sinabi
done yet.
ni Floyd Mayweather na siya yung the best of all time. Ayaw maniwala ng taga Mexico eh. Sabi nila si Manny Pacquiao ang the best. Ang the GOAT, the greatest of all time. Okay, so ito na. Pakinggan natin.
Dahil nga po sa umiingay ngayon, ang potensyal na rematch sa pagitan ng ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao at undefeated 5 Division champion Floyd Mayweather Jr. Dahil nga po sa umiingay ngayon, ang potensyal na rematch sa pagitan ng ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao at undefeated 5 Division champion Floyd Mayweather Jr. Nang dahil sa hindi na matutuloy ang world title fight ni Pacquiao kontra sa current WBA welterweight champion Rolando Romero, ay ang siyang dahilan kung bakit umiinit na naman ang walang katapusan na debate patungkol sa kung kaninong record ba ang mas matindi sa nagawa ni Pacquiao at Floyd. Ang pagiging 8 division champion ba ni Pacman o ang pagiging undefeated 50-0 record ni Mayweather?
Ayun.
At ayon nga po sa former trainer of the year na si Robert Garcia, ay hindi daw ito
Wala.
mahirap sagutin. Kasi simpleng-simple lang naman umano yan. Ilang
Marami.
fighters na daw ba ang nagawang maging 8 division champion sa kasaysayan ng boxing? At ilang fighters din daw ba ang nagkaroon ng undefeated record na 50-0? At dahil umano napakadami ng fighters ang umabot sa 50-0 undefeated record,
Ayan, so
at si
totoo.
Pacquiao lang ang bukod tanging
Talaga
ng isang
naman,
fighter na nagawang maging
hindi
8
lang
division
mahirap
champion.
talagang- hindi yan
Kaya
ma-achieve
naman
ng
di hamak
sino man
umano
in
na mas
our
mahirap ang
lifetime.
ginawa ni
Sa
Pacquiao.
lifetime natin na ito, sa century na ito, ay walang makakakuha ng 8 division championship belt. Tanging isang Pilipino lamang, mas matindi pa ito kay Muhammad Ali. Kaya yung the greatest of all time na Muhammad Ali, wala na yan. Papalitan na yan ng record ni Manny Pacquiao. Si Muhammad Ali, heavyweight lang nagipaglaban eh. Si Manny Pacquiao, nako, 8. Anong klaseng katawan yan? Si Floyd Mayweather, 4 na division lang eh. Karamihan nakakuha ng mga championship belt, 4 na division lang. Mayroong naka-5, pero 7, 8, wala na. Kaya malabo. Parang LeBron James ito ng basketball eh. Kay LeBron James, hindi na maano yung record ni LeBron. Secured na yun na the greatest of all time. Ang record ni LeBron James bago siya mag-retire sa NBA. Kagaya din ni Manny Pacquiao, kapag nag-retire ito, walang kaduda-duda, walang debate. The greatest of all time in boxing, pound for pound, o kahit hindi pound for pound, walang iba ang pabansang kamao Manny Pacquiao. Kaya pag-i-comment mga kaboxing dyan sa ating comment section, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, malaking tulong. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Hanggang sa muli, paalam.